Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a TUF A14, the FA401 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your fan, heatsink, CPU assembly. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. Then we're going to flip the computer over to access your bottom case screws. This computer has 11 screws in the bottom case, and the screw down here in the corner near the blue arrow, that screw does not actually come out of the bottom case. When you unscrew it, it just pushes up a little bit on the bottom case, but it stays inside. So this is where you would start prying it off with your pry tool. You'll go nice and slow around the edges. Don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. If you get stuck going in one direction and you can't seem to pry it up anymore, leave it alone. Go to the other side and continue in the other direction. After you get your bottom case up, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this specific model, the FA401, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools, supplies, and replacement parts. Before touching anything in a computer, it's always wise to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. Your battery is right down here along the bottom of my screen. It's held in by these 4 screws near the red arrows, and it's plugged into the motherboard right here near the blue arrow. Now, to get this plug out, there's a metal bar on top that you would gently slide up toward the top of the computer, and then you'll be able to pop this clip off. As far as your fans, you have 2 fans on either side of my screen, up top. They're held in by 3 screws each, and the left fan plugs into the motherboard here. The right fan plugs into the motherboard here. Now be very careful for these wires. They're probably one of the most fragile wires you have in a laptop computer. Definitely just pull and push on that plug. Do not pull on the wires to get that fan out. Also, if you notice up here near the CPU area and the GPU area, there's a small warranty void sticker here. You'll see these in various places on computers you work on. What happens is when you damage that sticker, it'll void part or all of your warranty. So be very careful when operating around those stickers. Consult your warranty for exactly how it's affected, but just a little shout out word of caution there with things like that. After taking up those 8 screws, you'll be able to take your heatsink off and your heat spreaders. Just so you guys are aware, I don't know why you're here, if you're here to replace one or both of these components, or if you're here just to clean out your computer. If you would like help cleaning out your fans, cleaning out your heat sinks, and putting on new thermal paste, I will have a video tutorial link above. Also below in the description, it'll be a video tutorial showing you how to fix an overheating laptop. And one of the things it will show is how to clean out your fans. Sometimes you can even take them apart to really clean them out well. But it will also show how to clean off the old thermal paste from both your heatsink and your CPU, GPU. You don't want to put new paste on top of old paste. And it will also show you how to apply the correct amount of new thermal paste. If you put too little thermal paste down, as you may guess, it won't get heat out very well. And if you put down too much thermal paste, it ends up locking heat in rather than facilitating its transport out. So again, that video tutorial will be below in the description if you would like it. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your A14 FA401 and access your fan heatsink assembly.